Okay, so today we have this unit sent to me by Elva Wigs. This is just how the box came. Again, I say it every video because I don't want y'all to think that these wig companies are like terrible and it's literally just FedEx being like at my front door with my packages. But anyways, this was I want to start off by saying I really liked the pic that they sent me. I feel like sometimes wig companies can send you like really cheap, like gooky accessories, but this is actually a really nice pic. Like I want another one. But anyways, they sent me a pic. They sent me the wig in like this little bag, and then my wig caps. This is the wig. It's just this like, I don't know if this is ombre or highlight or both, I guess. I don't really know what y'all would like categorize this as, but this is the unit. This lace was top notch. I'm not a fan of the ombre, like the coloring situation, but they just didn't have a lot of options for me when we were picking a wig, so I just picked this one because I liked it the most. But this lace slapped. I should have tinted it because I didn't. I'm very lazy and I don't tint my lace, but you should definitely tint your lace. I am just a lazy rat, so I don't. But I was just looking at the parting, seeing what it was looking like. And y'all know I was normally struggle with getting these on my wig head, but because they sent me like, I think this is a larger cap. Like this cap was really big, but I kind of liked it and I kind of didn't. I don't know how I feel about it. But because of this, basically, it was really easy for me to get the wig head on my mannequin head, which I normally struggle with aggressively. Anyways, so now I'm just making sure my bleach mixture is like not too thick, not too thin. It's just right. And I'm just lathering that all over the head. I don't know if it makes a difference to start in the front or the back or whatever, what have you, what you're supposed to do. I don't know. Um, so I just kind of do it whatever, however I want to do it, and it just be coming out decent. So I must not be doing it that terribly. So this is literally just a clip of me putting this on here. I'm just gonna repeating myself. Make sure you get every single part, those little corners in the back. I'll always miss like I guess some hairs in the front because there is always some in the front that's like it's like literally the same. Like it's just like it's like I don't know. Ooh, oh, the face down hanging up. No, the disrespect. Anyways, there's always some that's like still black in the front, even though I put the bleach everywhere. So I guess, make sure you get all the way up in the front. You can't go too far in the front of the legs. Like there's nothing in the front. It doesn't matter if it gets over the front. So literally just go crazy. Make sure you get all of your lace. But I'm gonna just be quiet because I think this clip gonna end. Oh wait, it's been in and I have to talk again. So you know what? I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, whoop, done. So now, what I was doing is something I actually don't do anymore, but I used to do all the time. Basically, what I did here was, cut like a bottom, like cut some, are these layers? I don't know. Cut the bottom so that it looked like if I put it up in like a bun or something, it's not gonna look crazy and like just all long hair. It's gonna look like there's like little pieces of hair poking out. I like that look on like normal hair. So I like to emulate that on wigs too. Then I was just cutting the lace off of here, like per normal, like just cutting it off before putting it on my head. I know y'all peeped the little zigzag part. Look, I wanted to try something a little different. I wanted to be a little fancy. All whilst, I mean, I didn't even get the opportunity to like make it cute because y'all will see later in the video there were some technical difficulties with it. But that's okay, because this was still cute, I guess. I don't know. So this is what we ended up with. I just ended up just cutting all the lace off. Cut it as close as you can. I tell y'all every video because it is so important. It's okay if you cut off those little baby hair bangs. It's fine. Cut them off. Cut them off. Cut them off. All of it. Get it all off. Now, anyways, I think I'm about to talk. I'm not going to hurt myself.
Today, we are doing this zigzag part situation. My sea breeze and my cotton pad.
Angelica, Angelica, did y'all hear that noise? Everybody always thinks that's my stomach in videos. Newsflash, y'all, that is my throat. I have thyroid issues, and I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? Anyways.
Okay, so I made my forehead kind of big today. I could have pulled this up further, but we're just going to leave that as it is. Literally just going to leave that. Now we're going to move on down the line. So just because there's like a dent here, I'm gonna do the free spray under.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P.
And then once it's gotten a little tacky, I'm gonna pull it down. Just to help me glue this down better. So it's like the slightest bit. So now I'm gonna take the free spray and do our normal method. On top, take my comb.
Angelica! Eliza! Y'all, I really sound so good. Like, I'm gonna try out for American Idol. Is that something? I'm gonna try out for that either way. And like, not the dry throat. Okay, hold on.
I made my forehead a little too realistic today. Not a fan of the fact that it looks like my actual forehead today. Not feeling that, but you know, that's what happens when you have a big ass head. You do that to yourself.
Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Okay, let's talk wig. So basically, all I did was my typical schmickle. You know what? I'm embarrassed by it.
It's literally like a guideline because this lace is this is like not my average cap. Like I can tell this is a bigger cap, so I'm like it's like bigger on my head, so it's a little harder for me to lay down. You know, so put that way too low. Sideburn. How realistic the forehead is today. Like, what are you trying to say? Like, hold on. But I'm gonna take out the little thingy here because I put the lace down too far, so this is becoming a sideburn. So let's take care of this now. Razor comb. And let's fix where the lace came up. So like the lace is like all back here. Okay, not all the way back there, but that's where we chose to.
Freeze spray, freeze spray, freeze spray, freeze. How do I get off beat that fast? Let's unpack that.
So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and like fix like these little areas. I literally showed you how to fix these. Literally any area that's like just stuck up in a little bit, literally just freeze spray it and blow dry it. And I'm gonna just do the other side and then I'll be back. So my part is adjacent. But that's okay because that just means next time I literally just have to fix it right and I didn't cut too much. Like my fear was I thought I cut too much. Dude, no, I know for next time. So the zigzag part was supposed to be like my cool little thing. Didn't work out that way, but it's something like that. Layers really bad from here. I'm just gonna call it. I'm just gonna leave it. Like, subscribe, leave comments, share, medication, do all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all.
Just inserting this here so you guys can see what I ended up styling it with for the rest of the day. I didn't take any more YouTube clips, so all I have is TikToks. But thank you so much. Bye.